ready? Are you really ready?
It's time for episode 2 of Prince iPal Science and Friends.
Here we go. The chemical element of the week is beryllium. Beryllium is used in gears and cogs, particularly in the aviation industry. That means planes and helicopters. Beryllium is a silvery white metal. It's relatively soft and has a low density. Beryllium is used mostly in springs and for welding. Beryllium is used by aerospace engineers. That's a great STEM career.
A STEM career. Aerospace engineers design, develop, and test aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles. In addition, they create and test prototypes to make sure that they function according to design. What a great career!
Welcome to Math Magic. I'm Mrs. Friesen. I teach 5th grade, and we have a really fun activity for you today. It's called The Answer is 2. So the first step that you're going to do is you're going to think of a number. You can think of any number you want.
8.
Okay, you're going to take that number, 8, and you're going to multiply it by 3. So 8 times 3 is? 24. Your next step is you're going to add 6. So 24 plus 6
30.
30. You're going to take your number, your answer, and you're going to divide it by 3. So 30 divided by 3
10.
is 10. Now, you're going to take your answer and you're going to subtract the number from step 1. That was think of a number. So you're going to take 10 minus 8, and guess what you get? 2, because the answer is 2. So have fun with this. Play around with a bunch of different numbers and go try to trick your parents.
Hey there, Prince iPal Science here, and I have your science history. This is super neat because it not only is science history, but it's an engineering marvel. Okay, so in 1909, which was 115 years ago, so on this week in 1909, the Queensboro Bridge was open. Now, what was unique about that bridge? Well, it was the first double-decker bridge in the United States. So double-decker bridge means on the top level, traffic goes this way, and on the bottom level, traffic goes this way. And so that was the first double-decker bridge. Now think about that. 115 years ago, they engineered, designed, and built the Queensboro Bridge, the first double-decker bridge in the United States. So there is some science history for you.
Hi, I'm Miss Tretta. I teach kindergarten. I have the science of kindness. How do we change the world? One random act of kindness at a time.
It's time for science news.
Dun, 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 dun! The Chinese space program continues to enjoy success as its most recent lunar probe touched down on the far side of the moon in advance of sample recovery mission.
The Chang'e 6 probe touched down on the moon's South Pole basin, where it will soon begin to drill into the lunar soil.
This week's science vocabulary is hypothesis. What you think will happen based on what you know. Hypothesis. Ellie Mentz here with some fantastic facts about flags. Let's talk about the Arizona flag today. The Arizona flag was adopted in 1917, and it was designed by Charles W. Harris. Now, here we have a wonderful example of our flag. The alternating yellow and red rays represent the 13 original colonies and the western setting sun. The blue is the same blue that's used in the US flag. The large copper star, that symbolizes a very fantastic fun flag fact that Arizona is the largest producer of copper in the United States. So there are just a few fun facts about the Arizona flag.
Prince iPal Science here with a science demonstration. This is Newton's cradle. Newton's cradle is a device that demonstrates conservation of momentum and energy using a series of swinging spheres. One sphere at the end is lifted and released. It strikes a stationary sphere. A force is transmitted through the stationary spheres and pushes the last sphere upward. This is also a demonstration of potential and kinetic energy. Watch. What is Venom up to? There you have it. I'm Prince iPal Science.
And I'm Ellie Menz.
Until next time, my friends.